7 8 take 1
का गुंडा हूं मैं।
by 2 take 2
Welcome back guys. In this video we will be discussing about lessons that we can learn from recent viral marketing that was done by Cred. Cred is basically an app to do your credit card payments. For doing so you get cashbacks and rewards. So essentially those who have credit card can only use this app. Let's first understand the target customers of Cred. There are currently 16 million credit cards in India, and these cards are owned by 25 million people. Every credit card holder has something known as credit score. The score depicts your financial behavior, and score can be changed based on your financial discipline. Now Cred has been very particular that you need to have a credit score of at least 750 to become a member of Cred. It has currently around 7 to 8 million customers on its platform. 8 million people out of 1.3 billion people. That's a very niche market. Technically speaking, it is top 1% population of this country. So the first question is solved. You know your target customers. Now whom to use for marketing? If there is one event in this country that is going to bring the entire nation together, that is going to get people into celebration, it is cricket. Cricket is like a religion for Indians. That is why 90% of the ads that we see on televisions, YouTube ads or on Instagram is either marketed by cricketers or Bollywood stars. That has been the story of marketing. It is because majority of the content that we consume is through films or cricket matches. It is because those are the people whom we resonate with. We have an emotional connection with those people. You have got your target customer and your brand ambassador. So the third question is how you market it. If Cred is potentially targeting top 1% of this country, then they have to be the people from good income bracket, at least 50% of the users. That means if they are from a good income bracket, then they should belong to the age group of 25 to 40 or even more. These are the people who were born in 1990s and 2000. They have grown up seeing cricket with the likes of Rahul Dravid sir or Venkatesh Prasad sir. Cred has brilliantly marketed using this generation cricketers, singers and actors because the customers grown up by watching their films and cricket matches. They have been a fan of them and it just refreshed their memories, which made them to emotionally connect with the ad. Cred added a layer of innovation to marketing. They not only marketed their products but also created virality. They made the ads go viral by making these cricketers, singers and actors do unusual things and stuffs which people did not expect. I mean, who expected to see Rahul Dravid sir as an angry man?
You can overtake. Come man, come. You come man.
They made ads in such a way that customers could see the opposite behavior of their favorite cricketer or singer of their generation to what they have seen them in real life. Now I am definitely not surprised if they use Virat Kohli sir in their ads and make him do meditation. Just kidding. So the framework for marketing that we can learn from Cred here is: find your target customer, understand your customer more than the customer understands himself, market your product from the guys whom the customers have an emotional connection with, and add a layer of innovation which also makes your ad viral. That's it from this video guys, and I will meet you in the next one.